Welcome to Bits of Blender. We're going to take a look at these curves again. As you recall, we have 4 different types. Come into them, select all, and you can see that their colors denote the handle type that they've got. There's a feature that allows you to see all the handles all the time. Let me show you. This is set currently to selected, but we also have the options of none and all. If we set it to all and I deselect, you can still see the handles. They look a little bit different because they're not selected, which sometimes it's nice to be able to have an idea of what those handles are, even though they're not selected. Or sometimes what you want to do is select both and either move those both easily or scale. If you select none, the control points are now black when deselected, orange when selected, and white when active. Now I'm going to tell you what happens when you press one of these keys while you're dragging a handle. So let me go ahead and start drawing. If I press Alt while dragging, I can change the length of this handle without affecting the other handle. Now the Shift key, if I hold the Shift key down, it allows me to break the handle, turn it into a free handle. So, easy way to make corner points. Now the Control key, what's it going to do? What's it going to do? So I click drag and I press the Control key, and it breaks the previous control point, allowing you to manipulate it. We'll do it again. Another important use of the Control key is editing your curve. Let's add a curve. Tab into it. If I want to add something here, I can press the Control key using the curve pen, and it retains the nice shape of the curve. Now if I decide I didn't like that, I can use the Control key and click right on it, and it gets rid of it. Exercises, yay! Test your knowledge.